Right, okay, so as we've got the new, hopefully leaked correctly, car sets coming out next year for Super Mario, which Mario Kart is one of my favourite all-time games, that along with Super Mario Land. I thought I would build this because I've been saving this, thinking that they would have come out earlier with the other cars. So we're going to build Bowser's Muscle Car Expansion Set. Okay, it's age 8 plus, 458 pieces, came out this year, 2024. Now, gonna warn you now, if you have got Mario, okay, and you haven't updated him for a while, like me, okay, you have to update him to interact with this. As far as I'm aware, it took me about half an hour, okay, but he does work. So let's go. Okay, so he's working. Turn him off, see you later. Okay, so he's ready, hopefully, to interact with this. Anyway, build and drive Bowser's awesome muscle car. Use the yellow lever to make the hood ornament move or trigger other tricks. Drive the car with Lego Mario, Lego Luigi, or Lego Peach. Figures not included. For beeping horn, running engine, and squealing tire sound effects. Awesome. So I had to download another, I don't know what it is, for building in 3D, you have to download the Lego Super Mario app, which is crazy. But I did. I did it, okay, so hopefully I can open it up. Interesting. Let's go. Thank you for that telephone. I think I realise I've just got a message. Right, okay, I'm going to try and find the thing now. Okay, here we go. Lego Super Mario. Alrighty, so I think we are going to be ready. So let's open up the box. Let's show you the box first. Right, so on the back, we got all the stuff that comes with it. Obviously not Mario, but he's rating here on the side. You can use it with the app or without the app, however you're going to use it. I have got the original Mario starters set from when it first came out, so it's in a box. I had to go and get this Mario so I could update him ready for this from that box. So here we go. That's pretty cool. I like the fact that you get Bowser, and the car is awesome, I hope. So yes, everywhere it says Lego Mario not included, Lego Mario not included. So yeah, you can build it using their software. Why you had to download a separate piece of software, I really don't know, but I've done it on my PC and we're ready to go. Obviously PC is running an emulator, but it does work. If anybody needs to know how to do that, let me know in the comments, because a telephone screen for me is a no-go. I don't want a tablet screen. I have got a tablet to do these sets with. I want a bigger screen. So there we go. Okay. Now, first question is, do you think there's going to be any stickers? Okay, this is cool. We'll start building, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, see, it tells you in here, in the manual, to scan the QR code, build from digital building instructions, Lego Super Mario app. Okay, so that's what I did. Not what I saw the instruction book. Okay, so we've got a total of 4 bags, so that's cool. Let's put that there, let's put that there, let's put that on the floor, making lots of horrible noise, hurting your ears probably. So, bag 1. Okay, and then 2 smaller bags, okie dokie, with some printed pieces on them. Nice. Doesn't look like there's going to be any stickers, which is awesome. Okay, how's that done? That was easy. Right, okay, so I'm going to start doing the speed build now, and putting it together, and then when I've finished, hopefully it all works with Mario and I don't have any issues, but if I do, I do. I'll see you in the speed build. Don't forget, like the video, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Do appreciate your awesome support. I will see you in a second. Wow, that was a cool little build. Very awesome. Bit of a tight squeeze getting him in there, but whatever. Okay, so let's give it. This is kind of like a brickhead, really, but it's very, very cool build nonetheless. Pose his arms. Can't pose his legs, but you can pose his arms. I think the detail's really, really good. His tail can kind of go up and down, whatever. I like the turtle shell on the back. Very clever, nice design. These are all printed, no stickers, so the mouth and everything, the eyes, really, really cool. The nostrils, I love the nostrils. This was really cool to build, easy, not any issues with it at all. Went together really, really well. I thought I'd lost a piece, but I did find it. It was in one of the plastic bags that I'd put on the floor, so it must have got caught. But anyway, that's done. So he's very, very cool. I like him. Bowser he's always the baddie, but I don't think he's a baddie. I think he's a nice guy, really. Let's go with the car. Get that off. Okay. Right now, car. Details on the car are really, really good. I was quite surprised, actually. Obviously, the steering wheel, you can't do anything. There's nothing on the dashboard, but you've got your windshield. You got the rear fins, which is cool. You got a boot space here where you've got your cannonballs or dynamite, whatever you want to call it. I suppose dynamite. What is it? Just explosive balls anyway. It's solid. It's really good. Quite pleased with that, and I do like these little bits on here. They finished off the wheels really well. I don't know why it's got that on the side, but whatever. Okay, so what we do is this head moves. Okay, you've got a little lever on the side like that. Okay, so what you do is you do that, and then you boom, and out come the bombs, which is cool. Nice little feature, play feature there. You can interact obviously with Mario. Let's see if it works. I haven't tested it. This is the first time, so let's turn him on. Lego Mario time. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's cool. And then, what can I do? Oh, that's cool. Okay. Okay, so it senses you're shooting these out the back of the car. Next time, go like that. Yeah. Okay, so it actually does seem to know that you've actually shot it and it's worked. So that's cool. And then obviously, you know. Cool. All right, so there's the interaction, which is really awesome. I do like it, but of course, you know, it's Bowser's car, not Super Mario. I think Super Mario's a villain. He's stolen his car. What's going on? Which is really, really cool. I really like the set, and I can't wait for the rest of them. And then we'll say and smash the like button, subscribe, comment. I think this is really cool. Good little display piece, and you know, some really good features to play on it. And of course, you know, you've got Super Mario as well. If you've got the starter set, whichever one you've got, Luigi, Super Mario, or Peach, will work with this. I only ever got Super Mario. I do want to get the others, but not until they're like on sale, which doesn't really happen here in Turkey, so I might be waiting for a long, long time. All I want is the figures. I don't, you know, the electronic figures. I don't want the rest of it. Just to have a complete set. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting the new cars if they do come out next year, as rumours have said they will. It would be cool. But yeah, this reliving my childhood. Perfecto. I'll see you in the next video, and this might be whilst I'm away in America that this is actually shown on the channel, and hoping to come back with some Fortnite Lego, which would be really cool if I can get all that while I'm out there. We'll see. See you in the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.